You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Okay, installers, it probably feels like we are covering a lot of information at one time, so please feel free to re-watch these lessons anytime you need a refresher. Let's move on to another critical part of the system: data. Data is what tells the lights what to do, what colors to display, when to turn on and off, and how to run effects. If there's a problem with data flow, you might see flickering, incorrect colors, or certain sections not working at all. Unlike power, which can be injected at multiple points, data must always flow in one direction, from the controller to the last light in the system. Let's go over the most common data-related problems and how to fix them. If your lights aren't responding correctly, flashing randomly, or showing the wrong colors, the first thing to check is your data wire connections. Is the data wire properly connected from the controller to the first light? Are there any loose or broken connections in the system? Has any wire been damaged, bent too sharply, or pulled loose? A single bad connection can stop data from flowing through the system. Checking and reseating your connections is the first step in troubleshooting. Many installers choose to leave the power on while installing, since it's a low-voltage system. This lets them test each section as they go, making it easier to catch and fix bad connections immediately instead of troubleshooting everything at the end. Now, if your lights work up to a certain point but everything beyond that section is dead, you likely have a bad light set that is blocking data flow. This happens when a defective set fails to pass power and data through, cutting off everything after it. The fix? Replace the faulty section, and everything beyond it should start working again. Most data troubleshooting will come down to one of these areas: loose or broken connections, data flow direction, run length issues, bad light sets. If you install every system the same way, troubleshooting becomes much easier. And remember, once you learn the exact system you'll be installing, you'll get even more detailed troubleshooting methods that are specific to that brand. All right, that's it for troubleshooting data problems. Next, we'll move on to Module 7, Talking to Customers and Sales Basics, where we'll go over how to communicate with homeowners, answer common questions, and even estimate projects. Let's keep going.